Colonialism in Asia and Africa. Colonialism is a policy or practice of acquiring full or partial political control over another country, occupying it with settlers and exploiting it economically. Colonization in Asia. European powers began colonizing Asia in the early 16th century, beginning with the Portuguese capture of sites while along the west coast of India, Ceylon and Malacca. In 1511, Portugal established a permanent base in Malacca and were interested in the spice trade. The arrival of the Dutch and the English challenged the Portuguese. So, massacre of Ambaina in 1623 took place. Anglo-Dutch rivalry broke out for Penang Island and ended with the Anglo-Dutch Treaty in 1824. Indonesia. The Dutch occupied Indonesia, British conquered Burma, and during Second World War, Japan captured it. French conquered Indochina, Hanoi was their capital. Spain ruled the Philippines for over 300 years. The only country where there was no foreign occupation was Thailand, called Siam. Colonization in Africa. The Berlin Conference of 1884, which regulated European colonization and trade in Africa, is usually referred to as the ultimate point of the scramble for Africa. Consequent to the political and economic rivalries among the European empires in the last quarter of the 19th century, the partitioning or splitting up of Africa was how the Europeans avoided warring among themselves over Africa. The discovery of gold in 1886 led the British settle in South Africa. The Boer War extended for 3 years, from 1899 to 1902. More than 26,000 people died. South Africa state was born in 1909. Rhodesia, Gold Coast, Nigeria and Congo also became British colony. Germans too had colonies in East Africa. The Portuguese had Angola and Mozambique. Colonization of India. The East India Company entered India as traders, later established a strong settlement in India. By many tactics and techniques, they exploited the Indian economy, yet they modernized our land.